Alright, while I'm waiting for my weed whacker to cool down, I think it's time to give her a rip. This is the 110. Ooh, steering is backwards. Much better. Give it a little slow roll first. Huh. Now this is with the brushed upgrade. 3650. Oof. I didn't weed whack over there, but this is the 110. It should be able to handle it no problem. I'm not really throttling her too much. I gotta get that tall grass out of here. It's not that, it's this. Alright. Today's a little track day. Oh, doubled it, no problem. Quarter throttle, doubling it. Ooh. Not bad. Ha! I think I just lost. Yeah, I lost. I knew that was gonna happen. There's my friend Josh. Oh, look at that little critter. We got a snake under there. Got a snake in the boots. Alright, turn her off for now. Give Orlando a little test run. Got a turnbuckle that's a little tight. I'm going to have to monkey with that. And I definitely should not be doing this without a body on. But it is what it is. Got a few more hunks of carpet. Moving along. Got it weed whacked. Put up some lights so I can do some night driving too. Oh, come on. Help me out here. Alright, let's go. Oh, looks like my pinions come loose. It'll be a quick one. Few ribs, man. I think we got a winner here. We need a better servo. This is stock WL plastic. so it ain't nothing special. But I get me some of those JX 118s, I guess. Or stay away from them Surpass hobbies, the plastic ones. They're no better than these. I had one go already on the 124008. Alright. She runs! She runs! See my, need to fix that. Little Loctite will do. Little Loctite will do.